There are dozens of recipes to make the same asphalt binder, and whether you're looking for the most cost-effective recipe, the highest quality recipe, the recipe with the longest shelf life, etc., LASTRADA can help you narrow down the ideal recipe. With our asphalt binder modules, you can compare blend recipes against each other to evaluate performance and find the optimal blend for your situation. In this lightning demo, we'll demonstrate how LASTRADA ties together asphalt recipes and binder manufacturing, conveniently organizing the data for use. Here is an asphalt declaration, which defines a product that is produced at a production facility. And these are the different recipes that I use at this production facility to produce various products or various binders. So let's dive into the PG6416 at this production facility. So right here we have our blending instructions from the laboratory, and we can create a production scheme, and LASTRADA can help you calculate whether you're doing batch blending or inline blending. And then we can also, from here, we can generate production blending instruction sheets for the production operations group. Here's an example of those production instructions. From the production facility recipe overview, we can actually assign specific recipes to different production facilities or to different products if we would like. And now I'm the QC tech testing that bitumen that's being made at that facility, and I can select my specific recipe that we are using to make that same PG6416. And when I do statistics on my asphalt recipes, I can look at the product by itself as a whole, PG6416, or I can look at the individual recipes for the PG6416s. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demos at lastradapartners.com/resources, or visit the contact page to speak with one of our engineers.